I did a video on flexible modeling paste the other day and I got several questions where to buy it. It turns out it is not so widely available, so I found an alternative I will share with you today. You can find acrylic sealant or filler in any hardware store and you get a lot of it for a fraction of the cost of modeling paste. Welcome to my cozy nest. Take your shallow silicone mold and squeeze out some sealant. Then take a putty knife and spread the sealant across the mold. Experiment with the amount of pressure on the mold. Moderate to light pressure works best for me. Acrylic sealant does not harden very fast and you have plenty of time to work with it. This mold is done. Let's add some color. I'm using Finnabair Art Ingredients mica powder. The mix is called Serenity. It contains 6 colors. Let's try this pinkish tone. I put a little of the powder on the mold. Then I take an old beat-up brush and push the powder into the mold. Now I add the sealant and spread it into the mold. The sealant is already mixing with the mica powder. In contrast to modeling paste, you cannot put the excess back into the cup, so I apply a little less and then add more sealant if necessary. Another mold done. Let's move on to a dark blue color. This is a beautiful shade and such a strong pigment, the sealant immediately picks it up. The following day it is almost time to take out the moldings. But don't skip this important step. Take an old rag and soak it with some rubbing alcohol. Gently wipe the mold. As soon as you feel the rag is getting dry, apply more alcohol. This will not only clean the mold but also take off the thin film in between the design and the molding will have sharp lines. The color does not look very strong, but just wait until I take out the molding. Before cleaning the molds, I did put them in the freezer for about half an hour. I don't know if that made any difference, but it was not very difficult to take the moldings out. Try it. Here you can see the beautiful color of the dark blue molding. Mica powder does tend to leave traces if not sealed, so I would recommend you seal the moldings. Please let me know what you think of this alternative way of making flexible moldings. I found the sealant moldings to be a bit more fragile than the ones I made with modeling paste. But I see endless possibilities regarding color choice, and it is way more affordable and easily accessible. I think I will use some of these on Christmas baubles. What would you use them for? Thank you for watching and see you next time.